Hey guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today, we have a quick tutorial on how to disable YouTube's restricted mode. Before we start, I really wanted to ask for your help to subscribe to my channel and like this video. This helps me a lot to bring you more interesting content. Let's start the tutorial. The first thing you should do is open the YouTube app. When the YouTube home screen appears, you must click on your profile photo in the bottom right corner of the screen. After the screen appears, you must click on the YouTube settings icon. You can find it in the top right corner. See that several options appear here, but you will click on the first option, where it says General. We're almost done. Now, you must drag the screen down, and you will find the YouTube restricted mode option activated. To deactivate it is very simple. You just need to click on this blue button on the side, and that's it. You have successfully disabled YouTube restricted mode. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any news on the channel. I see you next time. Goodbye.